Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. So guys, in this collection you see the spring wreaths designs ideas, spring decoration ideas, home decoration ideas on Easter and the different festivals. So hope you like my video till the end. Don't go, stay with me. And if you like my channel, in this collection you see the wreaths design, candle holder ideas, basket ideas, handmade basket ideas, bestseller decoration ideas, popular wreaths design celebration are so stunning, so adorable. So like the video till the end. So thank you so much guys to watch my video, to like my video. This collection is all about the decoration of the Easter and the spring and the home decoration ideas. So thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel on daily basis. I try my best watch to you the best collection, best ideas. How to decor your home on Easter and the different festival. I provide you the different ideas. So watch the video, to like my video, to share my video. Keep watching my channel on daily basis.